Hello, class. Welcome to podcast 11.0. This is our second week on the general idea of transhumanisms. So last week we dealt with Gloria Anzaldua's Borderlands, and this week we're dealing with Judith Butler, Judith Butler's dialogue called Changing the Subject, which you see in front of you now. So we're moving from Anzaldua to Butler. So, what does that mean? So we're still dealing with this general idea of transhumanism, right? Where we're trying to get out of, see things beyond a monistic type way, a oneness type way, or a binary type way. Those are usually the general ways that we understand things, and we're trying to get to beyond monist, beyond dualist, to at the very least sort of multiplicity, right? Diversity, and then the next step is to get to the idea of the trans moment, right, where we're in between and moving to something different uh, in sort of a vast, sort of fluid pluralization of existence. And so Anzaldua was doing that via um, a lot of things. I mean, she dealt with race, gender, um, queer studies, language, history, and also a lot of literature and poetry. But largely, she was going through, like Du Bois, she's going through the idea of race to create this model and this new metaphor of transhumanization. Judith Butler is going to operate in a different way. Judith Butler is uh, one of, perhaps our greatest philosopher who's living today. Um, and she is one who who philosophizes a lot about gender, queer, and transgendered ideas. Um, so her approach is she's going to be talking about things that are similar uh, to Anzaldua, but her approach will be a more philosophical approach, and in fact, a very heavily philosophical approach.